The OLIGHT flashlight? The Gerber Gear utility knife or rolling square charger cable? Perhaps the Bellroy sling bag or the EXOTAC lighter? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 best bits of EDC gear available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best bits of EDC gear worth having. The 5th product on this list is the rolling square inCharge X charger cable. EDC stands for everyday carry, and this portable keychain charger cable is the definition of useful daily use gear. It is a total game changer in the world of portable charging. With this unique 6-in-1 design, this cable offers unparalleled connectivity options, ensuring lightning fast charging and syncing for all your devices. Regardless of whether you're connecting USB to USB-C, Lightning, or micro USB, this cable has got you covered. But wait, there's more. Not only does it provide incredible versatility, but it also delivers impressive charging power. With its mind-blowing ultra-fast charging of up to 100 watts and support for Apple's lightning fast charging of up to 18 watts, you can juice up your devices in a flash and get back to work or play without skipping a beat. The cherry on top is the ingenious keychain charger design. It adds a touch of convenience to this already amazing cable. Its lightweight and portable nature makes it a breeze to carry around, and the magnetic heads allow you to snap them together and hang them on your keyring for quick access whenever you need it. But wait, there's even more. This cable goes above and beyond by serving as a power transfer support. Thanks to its proprietary chip, it can transform your USB-C phone or tablet into a power source, even for laptops and tablets when standard charging ports are nowhere to be found. This unit truly revolutionizes the way you charge your devices. Get ready for unparalleled connectivity, lightning fast charging, and unbeatable convenience all in one compact and stylish package. Its pros are: it has 6-in-1 cable outputs, making it highly compatible. It's capable of ultra-fast charging of up to 100 watts, ensuring quick power-ups, and it's very compact, making it effortless to travel with. However, the cable length is very short, which can be frustrating at times. The rolling square inCharge X charger cable is ideal for tech-savvy individuals on the go who value convenience, versatility, and fast charging capabilities in a compact and durable design. Up next in 4th place is the EXOTAC titanLIGHT lighter. This next unit is not your average lighter. It's a reliable and rugged fire-starting tool that outperforms the competition. With its high spark flint wheel, it ignites like a champ, leaving piezo-based or butane torch lighters in the dust. Rain or shine, the O-ring design keeps water and evaporation at bay, making it a trustworthy choice even in damp conditions. Crafted from top-notch aircraft-grade aluminum, the titanLIGHT flaunts a quality design with an internally threaded cap and a secure O-ring seal. It's built to withstand water up to a depth of over 3 feet, and when it's time for a refill, simply reach for Zippo brand lighter fluid. It accommodates up to 2 milliliters of fuel or more, ensuring you're always prepared for emergencies or everyday use. EXOTAC takes pride in producing beautifully designed and expertly machined products right here in the USA. The titanLIGHT is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts who demand a reliable fire-starting tool. When it comes to unrivaled reliability on wilderness adventures or extended backpacking trips, the EXOTAC is second to none. Its pros are: it has a high spark flint wheel that ensures effective fire starting. It has an O-ring design that provides protection from moisture, and it's durably made and built to last in harsh environments. However, it is larger and heavier than traditional lighters. The EXOTAC titanLIGHT lighter is great for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers who prioritize reliability and durability in their fire starting equipment. Still haven't found any EDC gear that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Bellroy Lite sling bag. This next unit is the ultimate companion for your daily adventures. This lightweight and versatile crossbody bag is designed with convenience and functionality in mind. It's crafted from durable and water-resistant fabric, making it tough enough to withstand whatever your day throws at you. Plus, it's made from 100% recycled PET plastic bottles, so you can feel good about your eco-friendly choice. With its expandable gusset, this bag offers ample storage space that adapts to your needs. it compresses when you're carrying lighter loads and expands to accommodate more items when necessary. No more rummaging through your belongings thanks to the innovative zipper design that provides ultra-wide access. Stay organized with multiple compartments at your disposal. The front zip compartment features slip pockets and a convenient key clip. The main compartment boasts a raised sunglasses pouch, while the interior slip pocket keeps your small items secure. And don't worry about comfort during extended wear. The padded paneling on the back has got you covered. The magnetic clasp on the strap ensures easy and secure closure every time. Not only does the Bellroy Lite Sling offer practicality and durability, but it also contributes to sustainability efforts by utilizing recycled materials in its construction. It's a win-win for both you and the environment. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or exploring the city, the Bellroy Lite Sling is the perfect lightweight, well-designed, and eco-conscious crossbody bag for individuals like you who value both style and substance. Elevate your adventures with this exceptional bag. Its pros are: it is very lightweight, yet incredibly durable. It has an expandable side gusset that allows the bag to accommodate more items, and it is made from 100% recycled PET plastic bottles. However, the double-ended zipper feels a bit redundant and just takes up space. The Bellroy Lite Sling bag is perfect for individuals who prioritize lightweight versatility and organization in a compact bag, ideal for everyday use or travel. The second product on this list is the OLIGHT Arkfeld flat flashlight. This innovative EDC light combines a green beam and a white LED in a slim and lightweight design, making it compact and practical. Its unique features and high performance make it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. What sets this flashlight apart is the inclusion of a green beam, which provides a safe and non-harmful light source for both humans and animals. The dual light source functionality offers versatility in various scenarios, whether you need a focused white LED beam or the unique benefits of a green laser. Despite its flat and compact shape, the OLIGHT doesn't compromise performance. It boasts multiple brightness levels and a maximum output of 1,000 lumens, delivering a strong and reliable beam that can reach a distance of over 300 feet. Plus, its slim design and pocket clip make it easy to carry and access whenever needed. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, this device offers convenience and sustainability. Its intuitive interface allows for seamless switching between light modes and brightness levels, ensuring a user-friendly experience. Overall, the OLIGHT impresses with its innovative design, dual light sources, and high performance, making it an ideal choice for outdoor activities, emergencies, or everyday carry needs. With its compact form and reliable functionality, it's a reliable companion for any situation. Its pros are: it has an inclusion of both a green beam and a white LED and provides versatility for different lighting needs. It has a slim profile and lightweight design, and it has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts ages. However, it has a lack of knurling or texture grip that may make it slightly slippery to hold. The OLIGHT Arkfeld flat flashlight is a great option for any outdoor enthusiasts that find themselves moving around the campsite or on the trails at night. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top bit of EDC gear worth having is the Gerber Gear Prybrid utility knife. This exceptional utility knife with pry bar surpasses expectations with its versatility and feature-packed design. This multi-tool combines the functionality of a utility knife with a compact set of essential tools, making it an invaluable addition to your everyday carry arsenal. One of the standout features that sets the Prybrid utility apart is its retractable blade, which includes the convenient cord cut notch. This innovative addition allows for effortless slicing through rope or twine without the need to fully extend the blade. Plus, the slide lock mechanism ensures that the blade remains securely in place until you're ready to replace it. With the toolless replacement system, changing blades is a breeze, saving you time and effort. In addition to the impressive blade, the Prybrid utility offers a range of other valuable tools. From the sturdy pry bar to the large and small flat drivers, nail puller, wire stripper, bottle opener, and lanyard hole, this multi-tool has you covered in various situations. Its clever hybrid design eliminates the need for a sheath, enabling easy pocket carry and immediate access to the tools you require for quick tasks on the job site or in your everyday life. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, an everyday handyman, a survivalist, or an outdoor adventurer, the Gerber Gear Prybrid utility knife with pry bar is an indispensable tool. It delivers unbeatable convenience, remarkable versatility, and reliable performance, all in a compact and well-crafted package. Don't miss out on the opportunity to have this exceptional EDC gear by your side for any task that comes your way. Its pros are: It combines the functionality of a utility knife with a range of essential tools. It has a retractable blade with a cord-cut notch allowing for easy and precise cutting. It has a slide lock mechanism that ensures that the blade remains securely in place until you're ready to replace it. And it is very compact and designed to be carried in your pocket. However, it doesn't come with replacement blades, and not all brands will fit. The Gerber Gear Prybrid utility knife is an ideal choice for individuals seeking a compact and versatile tool that combines the functionality of a utility knife and essential multi-tool features. It is most certainly a piece of EDC gear worth having. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.